This is a review of SheetXAI that is currently on AppSumo at the time that I'm recording this video. And it's a tool built for people who run real businesses online and live inside spreadsheets more than they want to admit. If you've ever stared at a sheet late at night wondering why simple work keeps taking so long, you're exactly who this is for. Most people don't wake up excited to open Google Sheets or Excel. They open them because they have to. Leads to track, content to plan, products to manage, numbers to check, and it always starts simple. Then the sheet grows, one tab turns into five, one formula turns into a mess. You fix one thing and something else quietly breaks. That's where the frustration creeps in. You know what you want to do. Clean a list, sort leads, write content, pull data, but the sheet fights you. You Google formulas, you copy paste from old files, you ask another tool for help and bounce back and forth. By the time you're done, you're tired and annoyed and behind. SheetXAI steps into that exact moment. At a business level, it's not about fancy tech. It's about removing friction. SheetXAI lets you tell your spreadsheet what you want in plain language, not formulas, not scripts, just clear instructions. You can say, clean this column, find duplicates, split names, generate content for each row, pull data from documents, and the sheet just does it. What that really means is fewer mistakes and fewer pauses. You stop breaking your focus every time the sheet needs attention. That alone matters if you're trying to build anything online that actually makes money. From a business perspective, time and clarity are leverage. When your tools slow you down, growth slows down with them. SheetX AI helps teams and solo operators move faster without adding stress. If you're creating content, you can plan, draft, and organize everything inside one sheet. Keywords in rows, ideas next to them, drafts right there. No bouncing between tools, no losing track. If you're running e-commerce or offers, you can manage products, descriptions, visuals, and updates in bulk. One change doesn't mean hours of edits, it means one instruction. If you're doing sales or outreach, research, and personalization, stop feeling like a chore. You can prepare smarter lists without burning energy on cleanup work. Now, it's fair to be skeptical. A lot of tools promise speed and end up adding confusion. Others feel powerful but hard to trust. SheetX AI avoids that by staying visible. Everything happens inside the spreadsheet. You can see it, edit it, undo it. You're not handing control to something hidden. It also doesn't replace thinking. You still decide what matters. It just handles the repetitive parts that drain energy and cause errors. The simple takeaway is this: SheetX AI doesn't help you make money by itself. It helps you work cleaner, faster, and with fewer headaches. And when your work gets easier to manage, it's easier to scale what already works. Now, before you rush off to try another tool, there's something else worth looking at. If you want a free option that helps you move ideas forward without adding complexity, I've put together something called AI Affinity. I'm Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and AI Affinity is designed to help you create faster and stay organized without overwhelm. Instead of another download you forget about, it gives you practical resources you can use right away, daily content prompts, simple sales page builders, tools for finding product ideas, easy email sequence creators. You can even repurpose content into multiple formats without starting over. AI Affinity keeps the process clear and stress-free so you can build momentum with confidence. You can check out the link below in the description to get access.